Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the PYQ of partial differential equation asked in csirnet 2022. So our question is, which of the following is the solution of this partial differential equation with this condition, and this is the option. So here we see this partial differential equation. First we convert this into Lagrange equation, Lagrange auxiliary equation. So what we get? First, dt upon 1 is equals to dx upon minus of e of t is equals to du upon minus u. Here u goes to this side, then it is become negative minus of u. So here it is minus of u. Now we will take the pair of this fraction and solve this equation. So first we will take this two equation, first and second equation. What we get? Minus of e minus of t dt is equals to dx. Integrate both sides. What we get? We get what? X minus of t is equals to c1. This is the first solution by taking these two fraction. Now by taking first and third fraction, we will find the next solution. So by taking first and third, what we get? dt is equals to du upon minus of u. So integrating both sides, what we get? E of t is equals to c2. So this is the second equation. Now the solution is on form. Here see how solution is a form. U of et is equals to pi of x minus of t. So now we apply the condition. Here the condition u of x comma 0 is equals to x. That is, at u we will put x, at x we will put x, and at t we will put 0. Here in the place of u we will put x, in place of t we will put 0. So e power 0 is equals to 0, that is pi of x, and e power 0 is equals to 1. So here e power 0 is equals to 1. Sorry, I said 0, it's wrong. So we will get there. Now we will let x minus 1 is equals to t. If we will let this, then x is equals to t plus 1. So here we will put in the place of x t plus 1, and in the place of x minus 1 t. So t here we can say it's a, because t is already there. So we will consider it as a for the convenience, so that we have no confusion. So a plus 1 is equals to phi of a. Now what we do? The same procedure. In the place of a we will put what? This. So x minus e to power minus 1 plus 1, and phi of a is equals to u e to power t. This is a matter of solving. So what we get? Required answer e to minus t, x plus 1 e to the minus t. Here e raised to the power minus t goes here, so e minus 2 minus t, and then this all as this. So here it is my negative. So our required answer is e is to minus t, x plus 1 minus of e is to power minus t. So this is the required solution of this video. So what we do? First we convert this equation into auxiliary equation, taking two pairs, solve this, then taking next two pairs, solve this, finally find this equation, and then by putting the solution condition in the solution, we'll get the required this, and by manipulating this we get the answer. So option B is correct. So this is the required solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.